So a quick snack that is an all-around favorite, best of all it's still quite filling and it doesn't have all the preservatives, is this take on cheeseburger spring rolls. So a beautiful melted center of cheese, and it smells exactly like McDonald's, only better because it doesn't have all the preservatives. So I hope you enjoy. So start off by browning your ground beef. Now I recommend doing 100% beef, however you can do 50 lamb, 50 beef if you prefer a bit more fat. But we've just got 100% beef here, and you're going to brown that with a little bit of olive oil until it's completely cooked through, and then you'll add in all your spice ingredients. Once cooked through, I would recommend then pushing all your meat across to one side, getting a plate, putting it upside down on your bench, and then having your pan slightly tilted so that all the juices can drain to one side, because you want to avoid that moisture going into the spring roll. Now you can see that fat has separated from the meat, so this is what you're trying to achieve. And then you'll go ahead, take your spring roll sheet. Now if you prefer bigger ones, you can do one whole square per obviously roll. I like them for more finger size. I feel like it just presents better, and it's more bite-sized. So I cut it in half, and then you will simply add 1 tablespoon of your meat mixture. You're going to go in with a small sprinkle of the onions, of course the cheese, and then a small drizzle of tomato sauce and mustard. That is simply it. Now ensure that the edges are really moistened well with just a bit of water on a brush, and that is to ensure that it's going to seal it over like a proper envelope and stop any of the cheese leaking out. So give it a good brush, and then you're going to roll over from the lengthways, fold over the side so it encases it, and then continue rolling until it's completely sealed. Now I'm doing this super slow here to sort of show you the folding method, but I promise you it's not this complicated, and it's actually super easy, and you'll find that you'll start flying through it after your first 1 or 2. So then continue with the entire batch until they're all done and you're ready to fry. Now remember, this meat is pre-cooked, so you don't need much time to fry. So on a very high heat, I would recommend just heating up your oil and then of course dropping them straight in once your oil is ready hot. They only take about a minute or two max to fry up, and drain them on some paper towel before serving, but they're ready to enjoy immediately. And there you'll have the most perfect take on a crispy cheeseburger you'll ever try. Enjoy!